So this is the second set of cars from that we got from Bob Beers, and I'm gonna color all 5 of them because there's basically 5 cars. You have a green one, a blue, dark blue, a light blue, a red, and a black. And these are basically two-tones. You got the white roof, and you have all the bodies, and these are all 57 Bel Airs, okay? They've not done the 57 Bel Air. See, here's the 57 Bel Air in Auto World. Okay, here's the 57 Bel Air with Bob Beers and Slot Car Central, but it's for extraction. See, they've never made you couldn't put this body on this chassis. See, this chassis is designed for smaller bodies. That's all there is to it, you know. It's not by scale, it's by chassis, okay? If the chassis is smaller, so therefore, I mean, look at your chassis is much wider, okay? Now your wheel base is the same, but it's a narrower chassis, okay?
Which one's more accurate?
Gosh. Well, that's a hard question to say. In some ways, the Bel Air was a wide car, okay? But if you're up to them, I don't know if they were that long. You know, like this is longer. See, they also made this in a 2-door. Okay, these are all 2-doors also, and so was the Nomad. That's a Bel Air, or that's a Impala. So these are basically their 4 new colors. You can buy all 4. All you have to do is go to ProTinkerToys, and I think they're item number 2,400, 24,000, 23,000, and 25,000. You've got, and then also we also have the chrome version of these cars. Chrome. There's 10 different colors of the chrome. Sweeter than molasses. Well, plus if I got to get it in the chassis right, I don't have it in the chassis right. Why is it stopping there all the time? Huh? Let's try this one. Holy cow, let's try this one. Yeah! Let's try this one. Yeah! Oh, I can't even get around the corner. Holy cow. Oh, no. Yeah! So these cars, you can get all 5 of them at ProTinkerToys.com. These are the Bob Beers Race Slot Car Central cars at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't like, subscribe, hit the notification button. And also get the F1 Race Masters F1 car.